So they are going to assist us in investigation to know the source and the area where this vehicle was brought from and why they are here and how are they involved in this business, because the way we are seeing it, these vehicles have been stolen. And we are getting information that someone was selling Apple. Yes, that is why I'm telling you, investigation is going on, and after the investigation is when we will know the source where these number plates were coming from and who brought them here. That one can be done after investigation. From a tip-off that there have been several vehicles coming to this place. Then when they are living here, they live in pieces, it means in a katwa. So that is what led us to this place.